Welcome to Third Science Degree. This is your host Nawazile Kuba, and today on our show we're talking about Mars. In August 2003, Mars came within 56 million kilometers of our home planet. Its closest approach is nearly 6,000 years. On the astronomical scale, that put the red planet practically in our backyard, much to the delights of our sky watchers. By early 2004, a number of spacecraft had converged on Mars. Some studied the planet from its surface and others from orbit. What have these missions taught us about our planetary neighbor? In studio, I'm joined by two astronomers. I'll allow them to introduce themselves.
Hi, my name is Mambilo Mkizi.
Madam Lugisi Muketi won't be able to join us in studio, but we have a video of what he has to say about the red planet. We will ask Nopilo Mkize about surveying the red planets.
The Orbiter Mars Global Surveyor arrived at Mars in 1997. It's discovered that Mars once had a strong magnetic field. The orbiter also accurately mapped the topography of Mars, revealing, among other things, that the distance from the lowest spots on the surface of the planet to the highest exceeds meters, compared with just over 19 kilometers for the Earth. Although in November 2006, communication with Mars Global Surveyor was lost, three orbiters, the 2001 Odyssey, the Mars Express, and the Mars Reconnaissance orbiter continued their surveillances of the red planet. The lander is equipped with highly advanced instruments to analyze both of the atmosphere and the permafrost at the polar region. Scientists hope to learn whether the icy soil has supported microbial life. However, the search for life, or at least conditions favorable to it, had begun.
I'm Sithengile Secondary School. I'm here with the president of the school. I'll allow him to introduce himself. Can you please?
My name is Mutadu Kalisa. I'm the president of Sithengile School.
Do you mind if I ask you some questions?
Okay.
It's about Mars.
The planet's let's try.
Okay. Do you think we can live on Mars if Earth is destroyed?
If Earth is destroyed, I do not think that we could live on Mars. Its soil, its texture is not fertile, therefore no plants can grow there, because we as humans do need something to eat, because we can't live without food, as food is our need. And also water, there's no water on Mars, there's no vegetation. People don't think we can live on Mars. But sometimes, if provided that they do have their suits on, space suits on, and then they carry water or food for themselves, of course they can do it on Mars.
Thank you for your time. Wow, that was the president. You heard him. Let's see what the other children say.
Hi, I'm Professor Moketi. I'm sorry I couldn't join you into studio tonight to talk about Mars, but this is what I have to say about Mars. Well, I had some questions, people asking that whether we can live on Mars or not. Well, we can if we tried, because you see, we can take all the plants that uses water, and even those plants that don't use water, that live in the desert, we can take them, put them to Mars, because we heard that Mars has CO2, and plants need CO2 to breathe, that is carbon dioxide. When they breathe carbon dioxide, they will produce oxygen, and as time goes, there will be oxygen that is enough for people to go there and live there. So that is what I can say about Mars. It's a simple formation. Anyone can think of that. So that's it from me, Professor Moketi. Thank you.
I don't know if it's my lucky day or what. I just found a deputy president. I'll allow her to introduce herself again. Please state your name.
Oh, my name is Pilele Luke.
Hindila, can I ask you some questions?
Yeah?
Do you know anything about Mars?
Yes, I do. Just a little bit of information.
Do you think you can live on Mars if Earth was destroyed?
If Earth, then it's possible that we could live on Mars. Because maybe scientists will find a better way for us to live on Mars, I think.
Why do you say so?
Because if Earth was destroyed, then where could we live? So if Mars was an option, then that means maybe the scientists have done something to prepare us from.
Well, that's the time I had for entertainment in school. Before I go, let me give you some facts about Mars. Geologists on Mars. When spirits arrived at its destination on January 4, 2004, it was within a barren landscape marked by a shallow depression. The rover studied the landscape much the same as a human geologist would by investigating grass, soil, rocks, and landform. Well, that's the time I had with you guys. From Miss Sithengile, it's back to the studio.
I'd like to thank Nompilo Mkhize and Mlungisi Muketi for joining us in studio and telling us more about Mars. I also like to thank our journalist Sithengile Ntuli for interviewing our kids at Sithengile Senior Secondary School. Well, that's it for today. Join us same time and same place on YouTube. Cheers!